Hey, what's up, guys? This is Abir the Godfather 1. Alright, the Godfather. So go ahead and go to the description. Which is a Mayabla file as always. You new error, okay? Download it, save some downloads, and then go to downloads, okay? You will see this G backup got her 1. Okay? Go ahead and extract here. Password is Silent Hunter. Capital S, capital H, okay? And dot, remember. As always, on my videos, you know. Just same one. Hold on. Let's get that mixed up. Go ahead and wait for that, okay? Alright, when it's done, do that. Wait for it to appear, okay? I think I already clicked on it. Pause it here and be back, okay? When it pops up, okay? Later. Okay, so you look at the window says allow. I click allow. And get this, okay? It takes some time, you know, to excuse me. Sometimes to the top here, okay? Go ahead and click next. And wait for that, okay? I'll see you guys later. You will start seeing that, alright? Just wait for it. I'll pause it right here and maybe go to the restroom, you know. Take a piece. Okay guys, so when it's done, just click finish. And that's it. I'll make a gameplay of it, okay? It will take some time, okay? So go ahead and you can go ahead and do something while installing, you know, to restroom, because it's gonna take a long time, you know. But it's finally done, okay, after like 30 to 40 minutes, I don't know. And then you're gonna play it, okay guys? That's it. End games, post a comment, okay guys? See you guys later. Bye. Hey, what's up guys? This is the another one here. And next step is to go ahead and do the crack, okay? When you have this and you click it, it won't let you, okay? So you need the crack. Okay, so to get the crack, you will need to download the crack from this guy here. Also 1094. Thank you, okay? Let's give me 10s for the crack. Alright, that crack will also fix this problem. I don't know what you have, but if you turn to the left camera of the game or to the right, and that's not right, like confusing, you know, and when you press page you can't get out of the car. It's not a big problem, you know, that I got too. So you have to when you put this crack into the game, you know, it should totally work, you know. So okay, with the crack right here, all you gotta do is go to here. Go here, click there. If you don't have a login, just register, okay? Register, download, and then, you know, download it, and and go ahead and extract it. You're gonna see this, you're gonna see, yeah, just drag it. You're gonna see this, put it up, you're gonna see demo. Go ahead and click copy from file location, paste, copy and replace. Okay, now close out. So now I will make a video see if it works, okay? And I'll put it YouTube, if it works. So oh yeah, another problem. If you're a PC user and it's crashing, the game is crashing, you can try this instead, like running it as administrator. Click there, run as administrator, allow, and if it doesn't let you, or you just open file, location. Go ahead and click here. Rename. Yours will not have a line in front of it, so you go here, rename, for the delete, okay. Shift there, okay. And you have what, just click it there, and you have to continue, okay. Continue, and that's it. And it should work, okay. But yeah, go ahead and type back, okay, in the file directory, and that should be it, guys. Alright, thank you to Master94 for his help, and basically, okay, guys, enjoy the game. I lost off the gameplay, okay, so keep in watch. Bye.